Today we are working on a 2014 Jaguar XK. This is a naturally aspirated 5-liter engine. So the XKR, the specs are going to be different on because we're doing an oil change. First thing I'm going to do is pop off the engine cover. That comes off pretty easy. Place off to the side somewhere where you're not going to break it. Your oil filter housing's on this side, and the fill's on the other side. Let's go back around to that. So we need some 5W20, which I did buy. Loosen that up. And I go underneath. So I'm underneath the car now. There are two, these are T25 socket sized. Gonna remove those. There's two 10mm sockets over here, and two more 10mm in the back. So you want to undo those, and this thing can come off. You slide it out from here. I'll see if I can put it on the tripod and see stuff. I got an extension. Yeah, that's how I need one, but an extension comes in handy at this point. Because you don't want your hand out plastic with your little ratchet. You see how this is lowering down now? They got the two 10mm over there. And two more to go. Okay, now this should pop down. It does wrap around over here onto the rack and pinion. Got that down now. Hope that was all caught on video. Okay, here's the drain plug. You can use a 13mm on it, but there was a little bit of wiggle room, and I thought the 1/2 inch fit better on it. So I'm going to use the 1/2 inch. I think it's unloosened. Yep. There you go. Good job, me. So that's cracked loose. Let's do the rest by hand. Get get this into the right position. It's just gonna fly out. That's dirtier than I expected. Okay, there's a special oil filter wrench. I think it's a socket or wrench, I don't know what the hell you're gonna call it. For these Jaguar Land Rover engines. You can pick up any local parts store, so we're gonna crack open the filter. Looks pretty easy. So you got a box to stand on. It's pretty clean. There's the filter. It's pretty clean. I don't use it that often. So, just gotta take this out, replace the O-ring, and lubricate the O-ring. Okay, so next step, take this out. Let's take your filter socket out. I need O-ring. Thanks for that. Okay, so inside the filter there's two tabs that line up with this. Let's see it to line it up. It should snap right in. Then you get the O-ring out. Like that. And then get some oil. And you're gonna lube it up. Okay, now you can put oil filter back in. Screw it by hand first. So you can't anymore. Then get your ratchet back out. Make sure it's all tight. That's a tight side. Set that on. Sure got a chair to stand on our steps too. Okay, it's snug down. Let's see how it's tight. Okay, once you're back under here and stop stripping, tighten that up. Then get the rest of it with a wrench. Now you're gonna add 7.7 quarts of oil.
Yeah. Yeah. Thing.
Need more.
Really?
You haven't shed.
So get it?
Find it. I can't walk in there anyway. It was a little neater.
What?
It was a little neater.
Yeah, that one side I have to see what we're gonna do with that one side. So the bike side straightened up. And the walkway.
Next, you're gonna screw this pin back on the way you took it off. Main thing is get this around the rack and pinion. You don't want it hitting because you're gonna feel it when you drive. When you put the cover back on, you want to get it lined up. You're gonna see these cutouts for these whole bolts, and then there's a stem that's gonna stick out here. So screw these back in because it's going to help secure it in place. And then you can pop in the other ones.